Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you had a great week this past week. In this video, I want to talk about my analysis for gold, and I'll start off with the weekly time frame and work my way down to the 4-hour time frame. So now in gold, as you can see, the general trend so far has been um, bullish and price moving to the upside, forming very strong bullish candles. But in the last couple of weeks, we can see that this bullish move has slowed down a bit, forming these couple of doji candles in the last 2 weeks, as we can see. So it just means that the bullish trend has slowed down a bit. So it doesn't mean that it slowed down to reverse. It could be, but then again, this is happening at when price has just broken this resistance area. So it could just be that we are gearing for another massive buy move, which is what I am expecting in the market. But we can see something similar down here, where we had price getting to resistance area and then slowing down a bit, forming a couple of about three doji candles, just slowing down a bit, and then picked up that bearish momentum. And again, that's what I am expecting with this trade. It may not happen, but on the other hand, given the current trend, I feel like price would most likely continue to the upside. And that's looking at it from a general point of view. So now that from a general point of view, we're expecting more of a buy trade. Then we'll go down to the smaller time frames, daily time frame, 4-hour time frame, to see exactly what the market is doing on those time frames. Now, if we look at the chart on the daily time frame, we can see that price has broken through resistance area. That's between the 920 and 925 area, which it's more or less a resistance zone previously, which has been broken and now has become a support zone. And we can see the number of times the candlestick has tested that zone. You can see the wicks coming into that area and then rejecting off, never closing below that area. All right, so it shows that this level here is this 1920 to 1925 zone is very strong and keeps holding, and which I expect it to continue to hold until buyers gear up to push price all the way to the upside, and it will be a very strong buy trade that does that. On the other hand, if this area decides to break, right, because of how strong this area has been holding, we will need a very strong um selling candle to break through this area. So it will be more like just something like this, a very strong sell candle, red candle, a very strong one like that, that will end up breaking through this area. That's if this area is meant to break. So what I would say, as I normally do, is this is a daily chart. So on Monday, when the market opens, I wouldn't be rushing to trade at all. Monday normally will give me an idea of which direction I should be expecting the market to go. So if we have a Monday candle closing strongly bearish, then most likely that week will continue bearish to the end. But if the Monday candle continues strongly bullish, then most likely that bullish trend will continue. And again, that is what I am expecting. As we can see, price forming this doji at support area, the 1920 to 1925 area, that zone there. Very strong. I'm expecting price to keep bouncing off that level, or at least that level to hold for a while. And if we go down to the 4-hour time frame, on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that again that area is still holding, and we'll just be looking for the candle that ends up breaking that area. So you can easily use the daily candle or the 4-hour candle. If you're not conservative and you just want to go into the market, you can use the 4-hour candle and just wait for that break of a strong 4-hour candle to break bearish to the downside before deciding to take any buy trade. But on the other hand, if price gives us a good sell signal here, like another strong bullish candle forming, then we can enter more buy positions. So basically that's what we're looking at. But for me personally, I wouldn't be selling gold at all. Even if gold breaks this zone, this 1920 1925 zone, I will wait for price to get down into the 1878 to 1825 zone. I'll wait for price to enter into this pink area here before looking for any buy trade. That's if this current support level breaks. But if not, if that current support level holds, especially on the daily time frame, then I'll just keep stacking up my buy positions, because I am expecting gold to end up getting to the 2000 area, and that's what I will suggest as well. So in conclusion, market is generally bullish. We are currently at a support area between the 1920 1925 area. I am expecting price to bounce off that level, and I'm expecting that level to hold, and then price to continue to move to the upside in the next couple of weeks. So I hope you found this video very helpful. If you have, kindly leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel for more analysis videos. Thank you very much for watching, and have a lovely week ahead. Peace.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright.